Alright guys, so today's video is about how to set time on Smartberry watch. As you can see here, I have 0404 here on my Smartberry watch and the time is 12:33 here on my smartphone. So let me show you quickly how you can set it. First thing to do here is to connect your Smartberry watch to your Smartberry app on your smartphone. Okay, so here I'm going to launch my Smartberry app. Please note that the time on your Smartberry watch cannot be set on the watch. You have to connect it up with your smartphone before the time can be corrected. So let's connect it up. I'm going to come to this profile and search for the device. And it's asking me to turn on my location. So I'm going to turn on my location right now. And select back option. And it's going to search for my Bluetooth device or my Smartberry smartwatch. And if it's not coming up, you can also check if your Bluetooth is switched on. As you can see, my Bluetooth of my Smartberry watch is not switched on, so I'm going to select that. So when you select that, you're going to see it come up here. So let's go back and tell the smart to search it again. As you can see, it has located. So what's the name of our watch? It is watch 7. Watch 7 is the name of our watch here. So we are going to select watch 7, not Arifine. Watch 7. Successful connection of equipment. Okay, now you can see the time has been automatically correct. Okay, if you check it, you can see that it is now corrected 12:36, 12:36. So now if you want to change the time 12 hours format, then you have to go to the setting. Okay, come to this additional setting and you are going to see the options here. You will see 24 hours toggle on. Okay, this 24 hours toggle on, so you have to untoggle it like this, so it's going to make it 12 hours. Now let's check our watch if our watch is on 12 hours. As you can see, it is on 12 hours. It's not going to be on 13, 14, 15 kind of time format. It's going to be on 12, 1, 2, 3. And in case it's still not working for you, all you have to do is to come to this synchronization system time. Just select that and it's going to synchronize the time on your smartwatch like this. It's going to synchronize it and it will show on your smartwatch. Still not working, you have to do one more thing. Now you have to go to the setting of your smartphone. Go to the date and time setting. Okay, like mine, this is where my date and time is. I'm using a Samsung phone. So you go to the date and time and make sure you have the 24 hours format on toggle. Okay, because if you toggle it on, this smartphone will start using 24 hours format and it will force the setting on the watch, so it will start using 24 hours format. But once you untoggle it off like this, it is going to be using 12 hours format. It's as easy as that. If you have any question, please let me know down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this one and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.